say watch a video si bebre what can what dear also watch what drink a man for opinions in your manema but many the leader of CSF family and never better train come I don't wanna yenim see from common sense family onipa wo there ni mu eye Abraham Ben Moshe ono NNM ne ba betwetwe nkomo ensem bebre na waka megidi ye pass wetie bi wati you have your concerns me so me wo me de eno hu nkomo ne ba betwetwe na mebusa busa ne ensem bi na wa kire yen eniema siye eja ema wakọ aba
yo ye nua
apomu te say
bia aboko
na won so empacho ohu ye okay Afram answer ne be hye nkomo twetwe na se se ne medi kan ne wo kan na eya na bibia wo hoyi ewa hyase na me pese me te wo foundation asiye ansa na ya to ankomo no so
yo we dey mechia ahwefo ne etiefo nyina
right
say ma hyase de makano so many times but ebia and then first day obi hwe me actually ankasa ya wumi nkramuni. I was born a Muslim.
Okay.
Yeah, me mama a Muslim, me papa a Muslim. Ti o me to nkramufo fie. But at tender age no na me mpe som no. De ntia me mpe som ne ye na me bobo.
Okay.
Nti ya bumi se me nya sorry.
Say we so bomb pie 5 times.
Bomb pie 5 times. Tra me nye ya kasa me nkoma karanta na makobobo. Nti ne ye bumi nti na e kire ma adwen sa den na nyame amesom no ye hye me say me som nyame santi from a tender age I'm started say me this question me di anka say nde Abraham bin Moshe.
All right.
Abraham bin Moshe na akwaye say social media din ya me de buy
ba onim say Abraham bin Moshe na you obi din
ye fro bi Charles Sansa fo e bebe
omo do so
Abraham bin Moshe no na anka me ye dia ye me din anka sa ye me din kra wi because okay, me process ni be din buy na beba. Me din kasa de Ali Ibrahim Ali. Ba won say wo school aye de say name and eta front ye from me Ali ba me din di Ibrahim.
Okay.
Nti me so no man pe nkremusom no. Na me join the friends na me start say me kwa sorry Pentecost e wata my community 5 Safu Memorial Temple. Nti Pentecost ho no na Pentecost sofo bi make a comment say onim say da e wo say e de kwa sorry e Saturday na me so but on no kwa so Sunday nti wona me nya the mind of joining a Saturday church and I me movie course Saturday sorry na your friend historic Adventist.
Okay.
Na so na me ko cheye na so like he say because of me pass sorry no a long story me nya Bible me swano me nya Bible me no class 5
right
maybe ko class 6 no and I me nya me first Bible ya so be deeper life for be crusade e we school
no mcheche Bible
dabi no bi ja ne Bible nti Bible na me fa ye no me this year because Mr. Father o me dabi on ba convention nti o mo wie convention no mo ko no e me bi ja ne Bible nti e course e kosi school na me nya Bible no na me start say me sua me this year kwa because na Mr. Father we more like imam nti ohu Bible na e be hadwen nti na me sua na every night nti me sua Bible no na me call me nda sorry nti emu ana me fees am me nda sorry na me call ye pobia nyame sunu hia no Ghana ha pa obi eni ho beba me but people see me say be hiti nyankopon me be kire no mati ase nti me be kwa another sorry ye fe no Mount Zion Assemblies of Yahweh nti emu na me gift of me to me preach agi akra because na me Bible mu pa na me kote ma sorry ye fe asori no New Jerusalem Synagogue of Yahweh
that time no what in fear saying I would say wa sorry
me to my some wo 22 23
okay
22 23 nti emu na metemi ama sorry e friend no New Jerusalem Synagogue of Yahweh me hu say Jesus din no say Jesus bi wo wiase ya e be wiase ya enye say friend Jesus the letter J 15th century na mo invent nti Jesus be wiase o te ase no na letter J ni ho nti 1611 King James Jesus din ye friend Jesus ye friend Jesus I started with I nti we say ni do no problem wo ho nti oye Hebrew ni dia e wo say friend no Yeshua ana say Yahshua even nansi asofo ni bi kura start adopt e bi the one me say who said the picture ni enim no who said Jesus enyo no guy be friend Caesar Borgia Pope Alexander the 6th neba the image I'm say abrante ya ne picture na enyo no ne din no so a enyo no nti me contact Jewfo no Satan was 7 branches na matia sorry 7 branches
who started at the age of 22 within what time span now to me create 7 good branches
na every year be am 1 branch every year mete 1 branch nti na anka mete mo okra but na me per research nti kakra na mato me bo na makwa research sa nti na me who problem with the Bible nti mo na me ko ben Jewfo no because we study Bible now the Bible has a Jewish tone omo Bible na ye Jewfo and I'm say if Judaism and about Christianity and I'm saying person meti ade na see here because we Ghana ni we be sort konfo anoche ase a we ko ni kurum we be sort ya asanto ase a we ko ni kurum nti we so who Jesus the foundation e Jewfo no me ben Jewfo no na Jewfo ni mo apai mienu
into ko Jew
me ben Jewfo that man call so on social media we benya rabbis no
okay
omo invite me to Israel ba man call omo invite me to Israel ma aso no kra receive fans anka me ko Israel ba man call satana ayese ntokwan kitomti me kona bomb bi ko fama so ho na me ye ndenti manko enti me study me go so study no me be Jewfo na Jewfo ni wache me no ye wo Jewfo a almost Jesus be wi ase ye wo no but oye normal person ete se Kofi Kwabena e wo Israel na ne maame ne ye fe ne mere no no ye hairdresser na ye Roman soldier bi a ye fe no Tiberius Julius Abdis Pantria e be rape mere no enti Jesus ko no so ye bastard.
That is what the Jews. I mean, this is extremely different from the story we know. That the angel visited me.
And Jesus story now we know Bible. And Israel for kura. Into we saw a bastard. Into we see only kakra no. And we go Egypt. And we go sunya black magic. And we deba Israel. And we crucify no. And the Jew for me so say he never existed. One baby answered that no ye myth. In conclusion, Jews don't believe in Jesus as the Messiah.
So what do they believe in?
Unbelieve say I feel na Messiah na yebe wono. Omo say Messiah na yenwo no because Jesus never fulfilled any of the messianic prophecies. Into prophecy ba akoko ni Old Testament ya Jesus have fulfilled. E New Testament inventors no and na ye na say wa fulfill. Into ho no mi gu asole no New Jerusalem Synagogue of Yahshua no and na me say na foforo and na me ye no House of Torah Ghana. Inti enum no na Old Testament pen ye gidi inti me evolve gradually inti na me wa asole a ye je Bible ni na etum and na me ba level a ye drop New Testament because the Jews don't believe in Jesus. Inti
but you are not a Jew, are you?
You don't need to as Judaism no you don't need to be a Jew to be saved. A different kakra no just say so a long story. Inti Jew for ne ka say let me their mayor no but I have to reject Jesus if I want to join them. Also Jesus into because they don't believe in Jesus. Okay. Inti na me say no me research. Inti mu no me science 2 branches e be kan ho e na be 9 branches. It that means New Jerusalem mete 7 e na Matthew 2 na ahanti e mu na me say no. Ma me say en check Old Testament they say problem ni ho a. Me be for Old Testament so a me the logic e check book na. There is a problem with the book. Tell me say in conclusion na me sua Quran no ne ade. You see errors and contradiction. Inti say nyankopon ma book na book ni divine. Quran okra de Quran ni claim say the original Quran e wa heaven. And ye yi kire angel Gabriel or the prophet Muhammad. Inti adea original eda heaven no. I don't have to see contradiction in it.
But say e nipa na printed Bible so we nim sa.
Nipa na printed ya.
Then say if the word is there. They are making what I say. Asem no wo ho. Nyankopon de asem na ba. Na say it has evolved from centuries and now down. It is saying we are making it accessible for the people to listen and read the word of God. Yeah, printed to send ye interview we be to me at na say actual point.
Excellent.
Of course, print over typing error or typing mistake or have you sat down to think say some of these things could be the
Thank you. Until I research me see me benji for no. Well, you have to get access to the original manuscript. The contradiction is in it. I don't even need a God who cannot protect his own manuscript. Now, the inspired word about you divine. Number one, that God, with all due respect, should be wise enough to protect it. Electoral Commission cry a mistake in numbers. Nipa are subject to human error. Or no cry for why you could in court. Me now coupon or doye nema. Or my manual ye diswa ye beba ne nchen na mfum so bem na de me yakra translate versions your King James, NIV, RSV. You better make different versions of the Bible. No, like different things.
Okay.
Nti Nyankopon no mo asem a ye won versions. Ensesanya be mo no. Enyi Nyankopon asem biom. That's my argument. Nti any say bia may try to disprove the Bible with translations. Any translation.
Okay.
Me check the Septuagint ne ade na me sua Quran ne ade. Dem say no. No na mistakes wom. It's a problem in I say religion was invented by man. God never gave us religion. Religion creates division. There is a God. We believe there is a God. And do we know Nanado is the president? And I say we believe he's the president. Do we know
he's the president?
Excellent. Do you know you work at Bryt TV or you believe?
I know.
Believing means I'm not sure. So the fact to say one religious person or say I believe in God.
So what I want to understand, what do you believe in?
What I believe in is whether there is a creator or there is no creator, nobody can prove it. Into the only questioner, no human being has been.
Into one gene di say, Nyankopon beriase or they and create. If you know the story, it goes on.
I know.
So you don't believe, say, Bibisa.
For me to believe, you know.
And now you don't know.
I know who was there to record. In the beginning, God created heaven and earth. Who was there?
The word says God created man in his image.
And I'm sure say in the other way, those who were inventing it, they created God in the image of a man. That's why the God in the Bible is limited. Limited. Let me actually verse be. They are insulting God.
Let me read the verse out.
Mami bisa question. Does God need Nyankopon tesoro? So ni madie nyina. Say assembly esi wo kumase a Nyankopon tesoro a onim anu onim.
Onim.
E wo say Nyankopon esi from kokumase ekoye enquiry sa.
There be or the befa nipa so.
Or befa.
So open so chese e wo say onu si from
enquiry.
There be onim de da.
Excellent.
Right.
Genesis chapter 18 verse 20. Hwade bi. Nti you cannot invent a book for the creator. You end up making human errors. Hwade bi say Nyankopon be yade bi akan.
Genesis 18 verse number
Genesis 18:20. Story ne ye almost say Abraham abofo miensa angels miensa ko visit Abraham.
Right.
And Abraham mo aduane di na mo ko wiki bab. Nto mo wiki bab ne wie no. Na mo ko Sodom ni Gomorrah akọ destroy ho. Hwede si people akan.
Genesis 18:20.
Genesis 18 verse 20.
Na Erade e kan say.
O say Nyankopon kan say tie mu, that means bone na wo mu di no eso.
Na omone bone e dudu nti.
Na bone na Sodom ni Gomorrah ye no. E dudu nti no.
Me san akoye say.
Ni Nyankopon ni sare akọ hwese.
Why say the entiemu edum nchane ti ana?
Omo ye se de entiemu na edum nche no eti ana.
Na say enti sa.
Na sente sa me hu no kan brofo na hwe. That means God tesoro what is so the me Gomorrah ye bone onye sure o si from akoye enquiries but Nyankopon si from akoye enquiries
Not what say
ma brofo ne ma kan brofo ne bia kan na hwe.
Verse 20.
Verse 20.
Then the Lord said to Abraham.
Then the Lord said to Abraham,
there are terrible accusations against Sodom and Gomorrah.
na just on tesoro no ono the atisem accusations. That means on aware or to top one ya be accuse Sodom and Gomorrah de ama no because me fan say Bryt TV owner oni ha assembly si wa obi na befa phone na wa friend wo fie na wa ka say mate say BBC Bryt TV na me ko akokwe say onye omnipotent omnipresent. That means he's not everywhere. So also to anamon Bible ne person che say Nyankopon kra na nya de nyina no nim kana we.
Then the Lord said to Abraham.
Then the Lord said to Abraham,
there are terrible accusations against Sodom and Gomorrah.
there are terrible accusations against Sodom and Gomorrah.
And their sin is very great.
And their sin is very great.
And I must go down to find out.
I must go down to find out
whether or not the accusations which I have heard are true.
so ni Nyankopon te top oni de ekoso.
Na say
ya bebo na mane
oni Nyankopon ni ababebo na mane na wo ka say e we so sane e kohwe no. What na se adwene ho so say Nyankopon we wo ye sonson.
He's everywhere.
Good. And so what makes you think, we are having a conversation,
Yeah.
what makes you think that he cannot send someone to come and inquire?
When I say I'm sending someone, if God knows, God doesn't need to send anybody to inquire. God is omnipotent, God is omnipresent, God is omniscient. So God doesn't need say why never check it. Before you think God have thought. Into those who invented the book, because they were humans and inventing a book for the creator, they were making mistakes. They didn't know say one day people will check. You will not be called Bible. Well, this book, way.
Yeah.
They be make say Bible ne Quran. With all due respect to Muslims and Christians, with all due respect, books we ya the court wa one hwebe bandi books no. There are laws in this book even Ghana constitution is better than it. There are verses in Bible. Christopher Krantida. Mami bisa question we. Interview me ko bia no. Me bisa sa question no say. Mami fani say oba na oba na so odin. Nti Barack Obama ka say oba ban the Bible. Christopher na no ye bonsam no ye antichrist no Illuminati onye Illuminati onimade bi book ma wonnim. Me no oba ye ban na so odin. Say Shatawale. Ye tunu fat say yes em fa ye boss na so odin. Ye tunu fat ye ban 70 or ye drunkard or slow lifestyle basa na ye ba no me ne wo ye che no na ye de ne koma kromu mpanyimfo a ebe na wo say kromu mpanyimfo de ye ba no
omutunifo
also mutunifo excellent ye koduru ko no na kromu mpanyimfo ne say ye ba na so woden nti ye nku na ugituma na wonyintum
menjintum
sa penni no ka say ye nku ye ba no wo hwa o ye normal na onye normal
ntumi nche
ba ka say dada won be my bosumi enku no ba me ba no besesa ana meboa hwe Bible verse no P Black
Deuteronomy 21:18.
Deuteronomy 21:18. I don't need a God who will give this law. Kind of way.
Deuteronomy 21 verse number 18.
21 verse 18.
Na so obu oba osodefo.
Osi me nkan kire say oba osodefo.
Ni otuatefo.
Na oba ni ye rebellious otuatefo.
Na ontie ne jane na asem.
Akoda no ye tunefo ontie yen.
Na se wotia na ontie omo.
Na ye tie no na akoda no ontie yen.
Ene ne jane na enche no.
Ne maame ne papa omo nche abofra no.
Efa no fredi enko ne krom empanifo ne nche.
Na nka ye mfa ye ba no enko kromu mpanyimfo nche. Ba chaw omo na wo se anka de akoda ne kwa ye nye ne den. Omo ntunefo ana meboa. Ye ko ka se ye tu ye befo onti to aso kan.
E krono puna no.
E krono puna no.
Na won ka che ne krom empanifo nse.
Na me ne wo ye de ye ba no ju ho a ye nka kire kromu mpanyimfo se.
Ye ba oye osodefo.
Ye ba we oye osodefo.
Ni otuatefo.
Oye rebellious otuatefo.
Na ontie asem.
Ye tunfu biara ye ba se onti ye.
Na oye hohwini.
Ye ba osan ye drunkard o hohwini.
Ne nsabo
na ye ben oye nsabofo
na krom ho mrema nyina insi na boma nto
o se ebele ko ba krom panyimfo a ye nyane den ye nsi ye ba na bo
but let me
before the bat o se ye nsi ye ba na bo ne nko no be ba chaw emra wo de be ye adwuma
me fine adwuma
but
here this is read in what? The Old Testament.
Thank you.
Do you believe, sir, it was after the Old Testament that we have the grace? So we are living under grace.
Auntie,
and a Nyankopon di ni mobro hu. Eye den esoma ne ba Jesus so wo mewu no nje.
Excellent.
And that is why we call him the merciful God, because now he shows us mercy.
Thank you.
And ke bi awo Ephraim, wo fi ha ko eboni awaye. I'm sure you are not righteous, or I mean you are not holy.
Nobody yes,
can. Let me not use righteous because
nobody can be. Nobody can be. Nobody can be. Nobody can be holy. Nobody can be holy. Nobody. Even see that.
What for? Even
see that. Obey holy was assassin. Not even Jesus. Jesus was not even holy.
You. But
let me more verse.
I mean, we have a point. Na say what oboni awaye ni na echi no wo ka say wonji di say Nyankopon bia wo ho, and if we were living under those rules,
point of correction men ka say Nyankopon ni ho nti mami ye wie we na yembra the existence of God na
if you are living under those old rules where there was no mercy and all that, and now that we are all living under grace and under the mercy of God, you think you'll still be alive? Thank
you. Mami, say question. So we catch now say there was a time na Nyankopon ye merciful. Na New Testament and obey merciful we didn't Nyankopon atem. That means Nyankopon no, he was acting differently in the Old Testament, and because of his son Nyankopon can God change his mind? Nyankopon sasa. Does God change? They were creating doctrine and concept. Old Testament, no.
Who was creating doctrine?
Those who invented the book.
In your opinion, who do you think invented the Bible?
Person me call opinion asem. I will prove it with the same book. So we ne kwatna bi no invent. So we catch now say the na mobrohu any Old Testament ya oboa. Oboa wadada. Kuro bi ne fe ni Niniwe. Jonah. Yes, ma Jonah say Jonah ko preach nchire Niniwe. Shark bonsu ekomene no. So ko preach nchire Niniwe fo. So mo ansakra Nyankopon de eja behye wo. Me pa cho Niniwe fo sakra. Nyankopon afọ mbọ ne yancha wo. Na Yesu aba. Obi kasa wo boa. Any Bible in be say Old Testament Nyankopon ye wicked. And that means Nyankopon Old Testament no ni adoye na ni tiri mu odin. Ebedu ni no ne ba nti e na wasasa de an insult to the creator. Enya sa na tie. Omo say Yesu be bu hie no e na ma Nyankopon e de adom aba. Omo boa adom e wo ho dada. Adom Old Testament adom wo ho. O say na Noah de onya adom e wo Awurade no Genesis 6 ana me boa. Genesis 6.
Okay.
Verse 9.
Verse number
I'm say 8 to say.
Okay.
Oh, obaka say na no ade onya adom. Nti adom no, what is adom? Adom kwa ye adwuma obi odi mmara so. Me no, yeah, yet them we under grace. Okay. Why? We haven't broken any law. But say you breaking law, the law will arrest us. Kind.
Genesis 6 verse 8.
Genesis chapter 6 verse 8.
Na no ade.
Na no ade.
Onya adom e wurade.
Onya adom e wurade nem. Na Yesu obewu. Adom be no nyan. Adom onyan say na mmara bo ho te no de nya adom no. Into we created that concept to say Jesus and the adom by.
You keep saying this Bible is invented and by people and all that, but you are still quoting verses from this same Bible to prove your point. That means you believe sir adom bi wo ho.
Adom explanation no nya Jesus na de by. There was nyamesom ho answer Jesus story neighbor. And Jesus ade nyamesom by. Abraham di kan so nyankopon sa Yesu ba ntenye Yesu na be kire nyamesom na African kasa ebra Bible na Quran emma ye no na yenim nyankopon na yenim nyankopon na yenim me mfo be yire na yenim me mo kro na yenim yenim nyame dada yenim so fo be yire ya ye bone yenim dada ntenye Bible na Quran na be kire nyamesom. It is the concept of God na ewo ho but so be invent nyame only right so the intimidating others. Religion you intimidating crofo Christianity and Islam and open the catching crofo say one that join here we go intimidation.
Oh yeah, are you an atheist?
Me atheist, but I would prefer to be an atheist than to be religious. It makes more sense. You can't prove God.
No, because an atheist is someone who doesn't believe that there is God, not just a
atheist is for so one may or more concept and I say
okay.
It's, and you said they don't believe God. John can say we don't have enough evidence and proof to prove.
So they don't believe in the existence of God.
To believe in the existence of God, no. My main Putin is say, can there be an existence without a creator?
No.
Excellent. That means once easy will be in a year.
Vehicle, yeah.
Where light will be in a year. Once there is a creation, there must be a creator.
So is it that you don't understand? You've gotten my attention, but I want you to make me understand.
Mama, when we said the concept of believing there is a creator, it is very questionable. Can there be an existence without a creator?
No.
No. Does your God exist?
Yes, he does.
Who created him?
I don't know.
That's it. We don't know. So if you claim you have a God that exists, he must have a creator. But then remember, when you tell me your God doesn't have a creator, then your God is an atheist. Meaning your God doesn't even believe in a God. And see, the concept of Nyame wo when we born, we won't get the answer.
He said in his word that even when you think about it,
in what way?
You can't fathom.
That's why we don't have to think about God at all. We have to think about ourselves. The universe in its own intelligence. Nemane from one wako no watch numbers 4 guys and what try do papa no wafa ye mu kwase and wapa another one simple na dey pa yankopon ma mekunu God dey chichekunu as simple as that.
One thing that really spiked my interest when you walked in is me producer Chemi said time.
Okay.
But I mean let me just patch my time is Chema. One thing that caught my attention when you came in, it's your you can say your chain.
Okay.
Do you Patrol Black? I mean, say I'm not interview. I won't but on my show, I'm sorry you talk.
Okay.
Chain now, what is it called?
Okay, my friend, the Eye of Horus.
What is the Eye of Horus?
It be the meaning. Every symbol behind it be the meaning.
Yeah. And I also the
ankh.
Okay. So where does it come from? Because I know this is related to Egyptians and something they worship and stuff.
Yeah.
Where does it come from? Why do you wear it? Why? Is that where your belief is? Is that what you think is right? Is that where you're trying to
yeah, so you believe
for nama, you know, to win souls.
What
you worship?
No. We don't worship anything.
Okay.
Common sense for you. Ni bibi ayesum. Wo bibi sum abesum wow.
Okay.
One say when the bema na ma me rock we say Africa for. When na ye dia no, ya targeting na evil. Well, cross na da me come no.
Right.
We the fellow ank.
Okay.
When na Asante for let's say African tradition, e be ekuyaba.
Okay.
The symbol of life. Nto sha, one say e wo circle be wo top. And the male and the female, the male force and the female force, which creates life. You find the symbol of life. African symbol way, and Abrofuni be who ya, almost distorted the quiet cross, the symbol of death. Ekotam Jesus the letter no. Into the cross, you who is a symbol of death. What is a ankwe, tetano, obi wa, ne amande kuyaba, no the atonem passia, na a generated the energy
of life.
Of life. Now, for positive energy and across negative energy. But when we say bring the cross, never we are so much in love with the cross more than this. We can't we say, will be son. Anyway, the eye of Horus, and you busumbiao, and when you train him, you find the penile gland, and when you train him, we have another eye. Then you find the third eye, and you didn't make a decision. I know American dollar, and that's no. What's American dollar pyramid no enibi da ho enibi da ho you find the third eye, the all-seeing eye of Horus. Everything no more this secret no you to mu dey say and this secret no you from Illuminati. What is it? To illuminate, to bright.
Are you sitting here to tell? I don't know much about the Illuminati, what they do, their activities and what they do. Are you saying that they for you no Illuminati, you say it is to illuminate, right? But with the eye of Horus, and from what I have read, right, so it says that the eye of Horus also means also known as a wadjet. It's an ancient Egyptian symbol of protection, royal power and good health. The eye of Horus is similar to the eye of Ra, which belongs to a different god, Ra, but represents many of the same concepts. So the Ra and the
Ra and so much reverence to the sun. Without the sun, nothing can live. Photosynthesis needs the sun. Human beings, we need the sun. And Thomas said, no, say, I dear way, am I your life? You better an earthly representation. Mind you, said, there is no single day at CSF. Yeah, can say, oh, we have got to be protected.
90 CFS, no, CSF, right? Anyway, let's go for a quick commercial break. When I come back, we will continue with our interesting conversation with Abraham Ben. Now, we are going to move on to the next phase of this conversation, where I want to ask you, why do you believe, or why do you think it said the Bible was deliberately...
Yeah, with Jesus. Now, okay. Cost 90. The wages of sin is death. And then one. And almost say Adam be. That means your movement, no. You person money paying at yes, say. Say you upon a body as you believe. And then you upon a board, no. So if this same God is giving us a book, the brain which is divine, brain na upon the man, must tally with the book. But when the brain has a problem with the book, then the book is questionable. Say you upon a board, and the say they are doing a way. But book need to be natural. It's book na a problematic. What is the problem? Nipa ye bone Adam ne Hawa ne kwati duabedi. Unim Adam ne ye Hawa omo kwati duaba na di no. Na me ne wo ye wo garden ne mu bi. Me wo garden ne mu bi. Ye ne mu bi but omo say ye so ye di for magiato. That means Adam bone no asan ye nyina. Eno mo say Yesu aba na obetua bone ne ka. Anka after the death of Christ no. Na osanka bone to ye den. Bone to twa. Na Yesu obewu ko still bone o. Na Yesu die na kwayes ono de agise ugini di ansa. That doesn't make sense. Adam or no, I wasn't part. This Adam did automatic, then the death of Jesus. So stop sin. I'm saying yes, you or kwaba. Still, the we are saying ya na ye. The only thing we hear say, Bruni, omoba. So what kind? King Leopold letter to the Congo. King Leopold's letter to the Congo. Omo shemu samoba. They should give us doctrines that will make us comfortable with poverty. Make say nyankopon wa ne di hia ko se obewu a obeji atum But Luke chapter 20 verse 20.
Luke 6:20.
Luke 6:20.
Are the people like I didn't have any swan?
Luke 6 people like your first man. Luke 6:20. Verse we.
Okay. Luke 6 verse number 20.
Luke 6 verse 20.
Na amane ne so eche ne suafo.
Yesu emma ne so kire ne suafo.
Na okan say.
E no ka kire ne suafo ne say.
Ihla ene mu ehiafo.
Ihla no mu ehiafo.
Na nyakopa hene ne amodia.
Pacha wo yo hene nhira no. Enti verses bi of book ni mu a emma ye content with the poverty. Sana broni ba ye. To be ka say mfa wiase nko ba bia na ye nhyeche ye japade e wo osoro.
But obroni na wo ka say wo invented Bible na na say wo mudi shame say Bible no mfa mbra no mfa maye ye comfortable with. Unim say sa broni na nso krom ho Bible na wo ho.
Excellent.
And the citizens so agidi.
Excellent.
Agi ye mu nyankopon di mu asemu didi ye.
Excellent. Excellent.
But still no.
Excellent.
Wo mu ye okay.
Excellent.
Wo mu nye hia.
Mama me say a question. Do we need the Bible and we need good leadership? It's a religion as a soul mind. It's a religion you invent it and the control.
And nobody has said religion changes the country.
The idea right. Behind you invented religion and detain people in Crawford. No why you content with poverty because when people become greedy for money, we be any brisker at the violence about until the control nipa. You develop or mine, you develop we have to put the Bible aside. To UK normally US they are converting churches into industries. Yeah, to us all that. People don't go to church anymore. We don't need it. But even before our bounty politicians it taking advantage. Almost show Japade was as so. And what you know, if you said we could switch them ready, of course, one not so for the Bible, not the show. That's it. Indeed, on the freedom of choice to worship anything. Go to China. How many churches do we have there? They don't believe in Jesus. They don't call on Jesus. They don't call on God. But we call on ye. To the make kind of say, any way and the best sign, any fasting and the baby cry out, any rather boy and the baby be out, any oil now betono and the baby cry out, and you want two. So you have your right to believe in anything. One, you don't have the right to insult other belief system. Ntianka Christopher ni nkwasem kasa bosom so yankwase asem.
Enti ade nti na wo de wo ho kwan se wo kasa Christopher mi yankwase asem na
me kasa Christopher me tell say ehoma no Nyankopon tworo book. Ye ni God chapter 1 verse 1. Ye nipa na atworo. Jesus akura tworo book. Nti me see book no. Say de wo do ho ato so office say baby bi ama no. Enye hwe ma. Nti wo de wo gidi a gidi na mutu anamon. Ne mbode ye man. That's my concept. First no First, I was having problem with, say, we buy GDB, but there's no problem. So your belief in God should be your personal property. You don't have the right to intimidate others. And when they did your culture, I no. What I'm saying, we buy, you know, never yabosom so young kwasi asem. Say so fuchi na bosom. Etumi ko jina rever ho. Edidi your culture. You boom in tia because of Brunidian. Or sanka ye fire ye de no. Ye wa yamamre, ye wa your culture. And I'm metumi aka kire say Bible ene Quran kora e ba ye no enipa di bone e chen ye bra na ye na nam gi abosom di no wonim de ntia ye nim se antoa ye de bodu e bekum tunkofo beyere anameboa but Bible na ka kire say emen kuma we na me twura bra na mo anye bone na ye bone a ye wo chiginafo bi we gya ne nchen o no odi amaye wonsa wo obi a wodi bone a obedi ama no wodi bone a we mu nhyew to obedi bone na wakosra we Yesu ho but it no wo kotwa obi board ya wo twape na odi afa ne fie sister adwoa member na obo odi na bo ntie nie o de ma no wa miensa mo awaje wa mo akọ fie wudi a antoa beku especially efo mayimava obo say yes o free water
enti wugidi say ostra himemu wo ho na bonsam jemo wo do you believe in that?
Heaven is not a place. Heaven is a place ye beko. Heaven is a state of mind. Ti Jesus Christ has heaven be any baby out.
Okay, so in your
okay, Jesus kind. No, because obi shobeka say abrante den working. Luke 17:20. Heaven na Christopher fi say krobi fi suru ba no. Hwe Ghana awrade yanko. Hwe asase ne yete so no. Nyankopon di gold a chef mo ho. Say yentu ne yemfanye yem muye.
Right.
UK gold the same no more. And so if a gold reserve one more, Ghana cannot boast of a single gold reserve. Ebi ntia, ye the religion brainwash ye say, e wiase na ya wo ne amanfrafo wa ha. Ye mfa wiase nko ba bia na hyehye wo japade e wo soro. Nti wan kasa page we fi mu se kwatu to be that to. Ye no, ena Nyankopon ne wa chen oil, gold, timber, rosewood no ye dea. and can you say obi free Ghana no ye poor but insan say your mindset say e we ase we yem fe nko babia na ye kwa heaven ye kwa nanti gold so no nti gold na e from no we don't value it say heaven be o babia according to Jesus kind
Luke 17:20
obi say question say me see me nji book ni di adena me quote to the making me point me ni omo a omo ji book ni di na e kasa nti me quote omo book no di a kira omo say ni me book ni kura wo kura wo ncheke so kwa heaven Jesus kasa kira omo
Luke 17:20
Luke 17:20
na Pharisee for ibsan say
and Pharisee for bi say Jesus say
da ben Nyankopon hinde ni beba
Nyankopon hinde no da ben ne beba
na obo an say
and Jesus can say
Nyankopon hinde ni emma say enitua
Nyankopon hinde heaven no emma te say de eni ebehunu
na so won ka say
na so heaven no ye nka say
hwe ha ana
eho
na hwe
Nyankopon hinde
mu na ewo
is within a state of mind and say God be brother mind it is okay heaven Ghana ye efuom
glass and
efuom one dey say oh
but then what do you think say as Nipano, right? Just you have my attention. You're speaking to me. I want you to make me understand.
Yeah.
What do you think the people of the country, and I say the people of the world, because Christianity, Islam is everywhere, can do to live the life that you feel is pleasing to God?
Excellent. And when mankind should not be looking for the creator, we have to look for our purpose in creation. Eduesi wa eduane what the purpose and then eduane beye say ye mango dua no de oye ne say obema ye oxygen na ya home na wasama ye fruit na ye di or performing the function enti be pa ye de ne say de bia ye ka say service to mankind is service to God. Yen to me bibi ama Nyankopon. It's common sense family ye de ne say na me no obo ye no wa ma ye adwene na wa ma ye adoma chede wa ma obi a talent obi hu say talent ya wo kure bia no unfo sum Nyankopon wo de beso nipa say we a doctor you serve people you don't serve God because me need that Nyankopon benya COVID-19 na akwa command vaccine e nipa na abehwe won to ye doctor hwe nipa yie wo ye nurse ya wo be serve nipa wo ye lawyer Nyankopon onya court case na wakoke bia ma no eye nipa na onya asem na oba ho na obi asem no ma na wa ya ma Nyankopon sana se uye police ni na obi de na asem betu animu a udi asem no ma no eye nhwemu ma no na ekowie peya wa serve nipa in return no o ya ma obo ade no sa uye food vendor oton aduane a you serve people me aduane no se de me no sa na ba nuama abontin
so in a nutshell no
service to mankind
do what you
do unto others what you expect them to do unto you
ujidi say anase wonimu say beye wo ho anase bosom wo ho anase voodoo black
powers wo ho
black ujidi ana wonim
yejidi spirit we believe because we don't see them and to be do ko krobiase na aboba bi si wo na me catch you say aboba we na me som na I can't prove it jidie said the ones who Jesus di said obi so ji Muhammad said obi ji Buddha said obi ji Hare Krishna tum no eno ye jidie nti no your personal property you fit intimidate wo bi but things that can be proven and e can ho asem
and let me ask you this. Sanya woka as a service to mankind no?
And you
say in your opinion and I say in what you know no?
Yeah sanity enye what I know because ya to abam mampanyin no ya beba ya to abam mampanyin say on be serving Nyankopon si cathedral ma no ya to abam na so be serving na one district one factory on chase so what ma say to your mampanyin na banaka say o be si cathedral ma Nyankopon a God didn't vote for you I voted for you Isaiah 66 Nyankopon say osoro eye medwa na asase ye menanso ntia so edan be na besia ma me so God doesn't need building to ka say obu passport office atoagu na we judges for atooma atonchen e create space for God Nyankopon te so be ka say what are you doing so what you say until we are here to say but once a politicians ni so smart say nipa aye if you say ye do nyame bi won na ye pampai bo so be mo bebi no akobon pai
me bati o can be say service to mankind. The kind of show interview be where you stated that we should follow the 10 commandments.
10 commandments.
Yeah, the commandments in the Bible. That shall not kill. That shall not.
And common sense. And we don't need the Bible and say
but it was because of the Bible that we got to know about the 10 commandments.
Bible ne commandment we are say about 10 commandments. Make me actually remember create any Bible name. Make me actually remember any Bible name because our time no na ni ho wow okay nim law no dada nim ni pesu we there was morals before religion and your religion and be teaching good morals into wo ba na wo be enyi kwatum ka say adwoa hwe ne wan nyem masem hwe ne wan bokro no hwe ne weni ambre obi ade you don't need God to teach us that common sense.
It's in the book of Revelations chapter 14 verse 12 or say mami kan me person me nya verbatim me pacho or say here is the patience of the saints. Here are they that keep the commandments of God and the faith of Jesus. One kasa here are they that keep the commandments of
alone.
God.
Then say,
I was say ujidie so.
You can't go to heaven with only the law, but so Jesus too as perfect. And Jesus also because verse we nyano kore. Matthew 7:21. Faith in Jesus and the commandment. You go beside Jesus and Ankasa. That's my problem with your book, Kai.
Matthew 7 verse number 21.
Matthew 7:21.
Na enya obi a say rade no.
Jesus also say, enya wo a obi Jesus say, ewurade no.
No be ko so ani.
Enya wo and abeko heaven.
Na dia oye meja also na apede.
Na dia obe nyankopon apede.
So wait. So that means that you believe in the commandments and also have the faith.
That be Jesus
you need the two.
You don't need Jesus can you am so wanting here.
Matthew 7:21.
Matthew 7:21.
Na enye obi o say rade no.
Enya wo a obeka medini Yesu wedi ewurade no.
Na be ko so ani.
Enya wo na abeko heaven.
Na dia meja also
na dia obe nyankopon apede. Nti kan.
Na eda no.
Jesus say judgment day da no.
Ipe pibe ka chem say.
E Kristo fo bebre beba no Jesus nchen abeka kire ni Jesus say. Ewurade.
Yemfa odi enchen kom.
Jesus ni yejibudi nti yede wudi nchen kom.
Yemfa odi entu ahomone.
Jesus ji yejibudi nti yede wudi ntutu ahomone.
Na yemfa odi enya ahomone.
Yemfa wudi anya miracles ya na.
Na ena mepem.
Eno na Jesus beka kire no a omudi ni din ya miracles na say.
Mi humuda.
Mufrem sonko.
Mom ye de entene.
Mo an we ye de entene. Nti ye say omo anya de etene. What is righteousness? Deuteronomy chapter 6. That be Deuteronomy 6:25. Righteousness.
Deuteronomy 6 verse number 25.
You can be a righteous. Did Jesus say, "Mo anya de etene"? That means o ye de etene na be nyankwa. Kan de etene.
Deuteronomy 6:25.
Deuteronomy 6:25.
Na se hwe bi emrasem nyina so.
Ye hwe na ye di mransem na so.
Wo Awurade nyankopan nim.
Awurade nyankopan nim.
Se de ohye ye na.
Se de ohye ye na.
Ebe ye atene.
Ebe ye atenefo. Nti otene ni obi a ode emra ye adwuma. Menfo beyere. No ni mra de eni nkonkonsa. Enna nkwaje ewom. Matthew 19:16. So one book now and you heaven yakwa.
Enti mami Musa will say.
Anka Bible ni nso won say me pese me gina wugide so kire say I don't need Jesus to go to heaven. Me ye de etene me kobi. Me te yi me ye common sense me yisu ma adwen. Me mfo beyere. Me ni mra de me ni konkonsa. Me nkire me ho. Me ne oyi adwuma wo de ona me de wade ama.
Enti Afram, wo si so. Wo bobra at the age of 22. O started say o say wa sorry o be yes our research we na develop these ideologies and philosophies and all that unfa obi girl da and I will be
so obi ka kire wo say be righteous e beto ye holy e was asase so a wo boa.
No, you've not answered my question. That means have you?
That be mama mo answer.
No, you've not answered.
Oh, that be mama mo answer.
Just answer me yes or no.
Meba mama mo answer. Mama mo answer no. Mama mo answer. Mama clear ade na answer yakoyia no. Nobody can be holy. Enye me impo na answer bisa me question wey you. Me say me religious me kwa asole bia o. Eye wo na wo say wo kwa asole no. Wo say wo gi Yesu di a wo ye holy no. Me no say bisa sa question. But me no answer bi wa. Revelation Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 20.
Verse 20.
Verse 20.
Na onipati ni bi na asase so.
Onipati ni bi ni asase so.
Oye papa.
Wo say obeye papa.
Na onye
bone da. Ti say he bi obi ankobi. Dem no ate ase ne say me we kofo obeyere. For what? Oba wo shekawa. Me nye bi da na mawu.
Enti wonye bone da.
Bone de na make catch us me ntumi nye holy.
Say no wo catch me say Jesus say. Yen follow
emra no.
Eno ena ebema ya course right.
Say heaven bi wo he de beko.
Enti no wo no asese no wo kanu. Wo gigi me de say me gigi say me nim say emra wo he wo say me na me so me gigi say me forma na me say nyankopon bone fa che o de be che me. Na me so me putting in effort to go according to the law. But you are saying you don't believe that there's anybody you are praying to or whatever.
Excellent.
And you are going to follow the law. Say our form no heaven you be kobi.
Me fumwa have to make peace with the person am from boni bi no o yetia nyankopon ye boni tia ye nia it when we are will be that you go and steal and go and beg God, go and beg the one you stole from. So we do now we agree. Now we just go to Pentecost say, "Papa, he is from born HM." You didn't steal God. You stole your boss. Come to your boss, kneel down and apologize. Say me pacho. E bona me ye, bona me ye kromfo from me born HM. We wo be kwasiada. Enya so dem ya pacho. You call the girl, compensate her and beg her. And you find nyame so can you beg God? Then why Yankopon? Ye wi Yankopon da. Ye rape Yankopon da. Ye ni Yankopon komponsada. What better media no gu ni as a poto my bloggers ya fa share we ko jina so Sunday say nyanko pampa cho asa me ka fa mesbel fa mbone chemi go and beg her and me nya me som no
asama o ka fa mesbel ade ubo bi
oh Sunday minimum ni pa me no
wo di efia hwasne ga na
oh efia say my sister on mesbel my best friend efia my sister
enti say Tracy Boache ana say efia hwasne ga na ade no because omo ni enim so omo ne mesbel nya
ba won say
ana me pa
ba some media nim guase no I say ja enye eya o eya se de bia ye oda eya ti mete se obi ase obi din na spread ya bone e wo wiase a eya ya bone ye west enya abortion enye wa fo obeyire e wa se obi din woni me ntia metumi awia o ye chime a I can pay back edin seye ekọ asa me say wudi we na spread we na me ba wo cha be pa wo cha wa nti me mo obi esua bone e tamehe mobile bone kra na e ka bone e hu wiase ya no nko ka bone 3 Proverbs chapter 6 verse 16
and the misbel about pass
o da misbel that only say me ba misbel me daughter
oba enye nti wo kone ko amana na because
me nyanka me
ko mi am obi edi
ona me nimu
medical ni eyi eno enya asemi ni na wo ho nkofo celebrities bebe na cha misbel di nkwa na akobo na che say uni efia hwasne ga ni Tracy Boache na oni o
dabi me ni obi any problem me ni obi any problem but ono e mada ona me nimu no ona me nim na enti
se wo so wonnim so dia misbel so be kai
tina me nkebi
wonnim se dia misbel so be kai entra na no me no mienu ye
on se man kai issue no me se na obi we be say obi din uwia na wakopa ne chobe de no eye example because omo no mo ho asem abanta me de example ye say bia me nka asem me nim nkyere mu me wo ya madam fo na obi nya asem a me beta awochi because me nim de see mo na mo fa mo adamfo na bibia mo kohia na mo ka mo asem pese ye tie ase say san trend na ekoso na we ni we asem agese media na ye wie e bia wo kene bi na opportunity bi aba na nka motu na akobom nti ye tia ye mfo odo ntena onu afo mo akọ ne nchen enye social media hwe Proverbs chapter 6 verse 16 wo de hwe
na adiensia na erade tan
o se adiensia na erade tan
na adiensia na eye ne kra echiwade
de to so 7 ne kra echiwade
eni etranton
eni eni obi omu wade eni etranton
ne atro techerema
won so aka no ba ko atro techerema ano na ba kan
ne insa ehwie moja edibim
gu ene ensa ehwie moja edibim gu
ne akoma adwi muso adwene enan eye hare tu mika go
enan ya eye hare tu mika ko bonim
ne odasekuru fa ohun atrosem
odasekuru fo ohun atrosem won sa no na sa ba bio to aso
ne de ohye enuanu ntem takra woje
ene de ohye enuanu takra woje obeka wo ya na wakoka na waka muti abom nti obo boni ehu 7 no ya no ho 3 nti boni ehu wiase de ya no ye ba yeni ebu so
be sexual immoralities gayism lesbianism si say they omu doso no eno na nyebone
me who do I me friend no what's a religion ama the concept of ade friend sin e concern na ehu ye wo bone a ye wo two types of sin ye was sin against yourself and sin against someone say me ne lady bi ekoda ye mfa no religion mu no mo say ye dwamambo a ye mienu no na ye agree na ya baye ye bone is between the two of us me nye third party bi abone but ukofo obi re ya wa hete obi otenchen nti emema mienu no mutu omo agree say on be for moto a o bo pampers ya me no ne bebo e fa Ghana economy ho emfa me ho e wa wasem nti boni bi owu dia no Nyankopon fa no wona uturu mu be hyehye no abo pampers ya odo ye de affect obi it doesn't affect the next door neighbor but who window akwa ne sika no o kwa kan ti obi although say against law of nature because say person produce light ya a positive and negative ya person produce life a male and female and maybe a man no after na mo to plastic true that's how money we nyansa kura ikosuya we fa nti me nso so
enti na eno saa no won kire ya wo kire na
blast
eno saa no won kire ya wo kire na wo pesa wo kire se wo mo nye boni nti a obi
onye boni nti obi oye ti ono ane ho
no sa no be kosoro aheme ma na se won ko.
Oh, heaven be wo ho a na Nyankopon ma chance ru heaven na kofa Peter to heaven ho. Dabi. Ko ru heaven ka che Peter say Peter ebre wo wi ase na edi agro fe de kuntru na de akwa che Peter to. Nti heaven be wo ho a bed.
It's no on ko heaven.
The concept of heaven me nje wo heaven ndi. Me dey say build your mind nye say heaven. Heaven means a place of pleasure. Then I say if you want your wife to be
that shall not commit adultery. That shall not fornicate.
That shall not fornicate in the Bible mo.
That shall not commit adultery. That is say who
obey
no say dia Christosum no ya tete ya yenimu say ni say like you fornicate before you get married and all that, and it's rampant, it goes on and no o person say enye boni
nim em for the fornication yifi Greek word prostitution ena Bible o say translation no almost san words libi Bible no be a fornication she bia no sexual immorality. Sexual immorality no forbidden sexual relation. Young girl fancy at your age away na wu nikunu unya ware na wu date bema matured man na mo have sex, it is not a sin. Church na kofa we na about in Exodus chapter 22 verse 18 verse 16.
Exodus 22.
Oh, say religion one and the concept we buy ya. People see say eye bone, but it is not a sin. Nteni people are kind.
Was say obi kodada babawa.
Ba chaw enie won o say obi hwese ye sin a obi kodada babawa.
I want to know awade.
So dada babawa ye nje na wade.
Na one no eda.
Na ne koye den.
Eda.
Na woni ababawa ne da.
Manoma nti ade.
Waye bone.
Manoma nti ade.
Waye bone.
Na so bi kodada babawa.
O kodada babawa.
I want to know awade.
Ye nje na wade.
Na one no eda.
Na woni ababawa ne da.
Manoma nti ade.
Konna koma ni tirade.
Na
ware no. Ti Bible ne say woni oba da ware no.
Na we ma oni o ma den na ware.
Oh, that baby no mu ade ntia ware ne maso. Ebi also no nti we date, we move on, ye click here, ya ware ya bye transport.
Ene se we bu ne kwase
ebu bi na mu de adana after break up no man na mo feeling kwase ebu. Why na rent ma wan? Why na to phone ma wan? Why na ma wan credit? Mu de mu ja ya mu ye kwase ya.
Debi se oba ti una wo ka say presem ne say wo be ma jai oba na wo bu ne kwase ya. E we say okoye dey oko compensate no.
Compensation e kura ma. Ti people ma compensation mbra eni. Enti Exodus 22:16 kan ye chirem no mo achi ase me nim emma no ye date mu a mo feel sex ye favor sex ye favor
na a man na feel sex ye favor, points of correction.
And mama ma sex ye na ma sex mo na mo receive sex.
Yes, mama enjoy so
Dabi
you receive you so you enjoy.
Dabi when the Dabi when the free match
no say ye
when the free match
hold on
when the free match
mami ka
me date wa when the free match when the free match
when the free match say
me date wa enye be man requested for sex
when the catch us a be man request let me sit down when the catch us a be man request
two free matches
of course Denti na woba woni be ma wo ho na se wo pese woni oba na ye bibia untumi nkan che ne say mirror and say I want to do something you can equally go to your man and request, not even request, have the sex with the man. So there is nothing like obema and a friend say obema.
It is 50-50. Of
course.
What is the kwasiebu? Show me the kwasiebu.
Nobody is saying says that when I can na make try to tell you say. So if you have sex with a woman and you leave, and then you have to compensate. Now then I'm mad here.
After breakup,
but I don't want you to create the perception that men are entitled to the fact that they are the ones who will call for the sex. They are the ones who will request. It is totally wrong. And I want you to understand.
One thing concept na se meba. One say ye want tete bi e tete ye. And I said, you were 21st century. We are saying, and I say, my education be corner. We were perception be say, who date or bump or banner say, Braquabana, my film, like any BBA, not your tag and say, again, I say, by any sanity. Then we can sort of say, or bow or request it, but I say, in relationship, men give sex, women are receivers.
But we both enjoy.
Oh,
that is what I want you to acknowledge the fact. Because no, let me also build on the point. We are having a conversation, right? So what can say? Obema and ema sexa. Sebe in penny form anymore. Any anka wutina dem na se wo twetwe wo be ma sa wo ho beba.
Oh ye me ba o me jetu.
Baby, you answer.
So ba so share dem no so ekope
exactly. Ye ni na ye be ye.
But dem can say
no men kan da.
When na ye wan
da say.
When na ye wan
be ma na frɛ.
When na ye wan de.
When
na also ye wan
When say as in when na be wakɔ.
Ye be kɔ hu ebusuafo.
Obema.
Oba ye nye ye wo.
Ebetumi aye ye.
Ebe ye
because
no ye ntia se se. There are duties bi a eye be me duty. Which is be me also your ba ho ade. The BS anete. Ye nua be ko ye be ma ho ade. Ghana for this training.
India e man na ye me.
Forget India ye ka Ghana.
Enti men ka se be bia.
Okay, enti se sia no. Mo so be ye ho ade kakra na ya bre. Na mo hide dan yesu endem.
Na so baby hide dan ma be me dem.
Okay, what baby, there is always an exception to the rule.
And there are people that live together. Listen, there's equality. They share the bills. They pay everything together. Asema Efra me pese wujitum. Ene e wo Bryt TV ha. With me, MCI Ebwani say, Oba e request sex e mani ye pa. And na ye request so.
And I'm
jitum.
Okay, magiatum.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We move.
Okay.
Enti no. Me pa.
The intermediatum is
me pa magiatum.
Oh, yeah, in the form of education say. On say me can say, ye before. Ye was said ye tete ye. Ye perception be say Oba who dating or requested for sex no. Ye buni say was say. But the Oba ye say oh here sex akron to me can straight but oh yeah e bia bra kwabna ma feel me pese me ba fie nne sa na mba ka no ba say bra kwabna me ba na wo me de me ti bia che
ene me
but say am ye ne say ewia sesesa enti e ma ne request
me nka say ma
Oba request so e fe pa Oba request so e fe pa.
I'm telling you for a fact and I'm stating categorically that women request for sex adie upa ye mfa nkoto ehin fa na e ba social media na enye post
dodo na nye
they do. The thing is that you don't want to admit to the fact that a woman ebiane say what
okay your boyfriend so oba over
say say Oba requested for sex, sir. What did you even
that
say?
Is the perception.
What's Oba requested for sex? And the perception that we say. Una wo person wo dwen santi na wo dwen sa.
Okay, me.
Anka but enye no Oba requested for Oba sex dia ono de onye jamafo.
Entina me ka say ye wade bi o kwa a man's duty to request for. Say Oba here or send the okano. Na me ka tell say be man na ye Oba ho de. Eno e be man send the okoli. Eba na rent ya bema na also rent o bese mepe na me se me ni baabi da ka say bra e me to me hide na unem ti ade bi e bema se de enti eba na sex
okay in this case before we wrap it up our time is up. In this case a man wo mo na mo ka say de e ma mo pesika dodo and as he say ye ntumi hwemo and as he say na nkan wura ne enkope because when I out here now ka say your bema said de so why then are you complaining
unim say bema bi be complaining about Oba or demandi sika or party or no. Men are givers, women are receivers. Tina me can say even in sex, men give sex and women receive it. Ofa Oba, una u give, women receive. You will receive it, taking. Hey, you're wrong. Oba, yeah, you were taking and receiving. Oba receiving. Any, yeah, in dating. So what allow a guy no have this sex out of your free will. So, school, nursing training. It is not the duty of the guy to take care of you. But so, Bemanima will support you. But we say, a money be say, once a new date, you know. Me, can you not also?
No, you just made a statement, say, your bear man said, say rent, or no rent. A dime kawanu.
I mean, dating.
What kind of dating? That's what you said.
Dating concept I make out. In dating, me dating say, Neman ketekete me yema wa problem be anim but yemfa oba ye bedding na to be ma so e bra me date you ni na ye how ye parents no e bring ye up we say say akra uwie SHS pe now especially mba no na o ma no papa ja wasema ma o ma me ko tum ka say adwo ambo me 500 Ghana abraba ni nya adwuma e ba ne sana ma bed na koda guy na o date ne so nti duty of every father say we be wie school kura na o be koso ahwe na kosisi obenya awade se bema ne be support ne kakra enye me na me date na odi school ti bema egitum se me date adwoa adwoa fie nye me hwe no na wa school boni bi anim ba wo hwe na duru baabi na oja wo so a pa chaw ye yenku ye ho because sex odi ama wo nyina no want to me return it.
But your camera nim neka.
I know the American camera them. Oh say a family idea and the American.
Oh, they be casa. No, tie. Ubusa me production team they will tell you. Me gender bias.
Okay.
Okay. What you say? Who can I say? Me so me no.
Yeah, most at times.
Me no we adwene say obadie. Wesi so nyankopon adom. Wonsa, wani, wonai.
So pe bibiye.
One more woman near fra crampo, one more year adwuma.
Now.
Enti wo de as a woman, and I'm saying this today, you need to work to provide for yourself.
Bema support, but
I want you to say it to the people for them to understand that there is absolutely nothing wrong. Say will be chimpana, no nipa no ebe buano.
But
thank you.
No, people change. People change and people move on. You know what me actually fit school. Obeka so be we nursing train na level ya sesa. Se level sesa na wo se opese otwe ne ho na one wujaya. Yenku ye ho. Sa na de ne ti. Na mesre ema no ye wo se oba kasa ye na adwuma ato ne iPhone na o use. Ni iPhone na be ma to ma difference wom. Difference ni iPhone na oba kura ono no toy oba na le toy no ye wo se de be ma na de kasa fa so se be ma ne flow 4 miss course na wamfa na ofre thief na ofa esense wo oba na wo toy nti hello ajua me flow want me amfa okay you and the kaka me flow phone na be ma to ma just 2 miss call hey buy you are call you are call you
or you're civilized. That is the word and me nyina na tesa only probably you're uncivilized because obe maybe wo ha wato fia ma wato ka ma we are saying Collins your time so but yes my 5 minutes wato fia ma wato ka ma
still e bu also the more ba no the man won say
your ba na wo so date
me come in the contest me come in the contest
who were in phone
wato phone me come in the contest say oba em na wo say oba bia hu say oba no to provide them ho a wo independence kakra and mama no your lifestyle be say on the 25 ye bebo no ye onya call na ye be medin a ye bebo no boy ne ka so onu aduane obeba 2 na aduane bentre ye bebo no che say rent kakra ya buge na ma get no na single room no porch wa buge ya jana brana say famese mam also brasene me dey also for say how do
okay
esene ne wonum na she
Efra, my last question to you before we wrap up Enti won church ya wo chire ne wo doctrine ya according to wo
me I can't teach what I don't know.
Right.
Enti the meaning nyina ne say let us learn how to live whilst we are alive. We will understand death when we die. It's simple.
That is a honey you do ani.
You do ani be hu. Nti ade na koye say obi a online eni obi a wada also die. Me na mada no pacho de we the minim. Minim. Won so na wote ho na me mada no die a me so no die no. That's the living and the dead. So the living can never understand the dead. So me tiase na me kan owu asem say asamando eye 12 gate. First gate no angel bu o gate na no. Ye fe no kafrum boom. Now we na ko share kafrum boom a. When you make creative concept no say you just keep quiet and listen. Nti the meaning say ye tiase no ye nya ni papa. Me nya wu nua bone mo akoma mu nti. Obi ye bone na wo pa na de ache no. O friend che no a police station e wo no. Asa simple.
Abraham Ben Moshe and then menene twetwe nkomo e wo Bryt Extra. So we've had an insightful conversation and I'm sure after now you better to us back door. And you know I have for Madam Asibebre say ne Bryt Extra money ye ehwe so ha medin e the MCI bo na me kai we say Vico 20 is still on the marketer egusua e tonwa mama mfo nti mesel bo modin na pe bito na say immune system benya hoden na ko atia yarewa de eye Vico 20 pe and betumi about 30 Ghana cedis per bottle. Over Bryt TV hanum say ya wo benye bi. Wo friend number say go screen e so a wo benye bi. Ene glamming inches adaroma and a washe me afro curl. Media babetna me patch betumi follow glamming inches e wo Instagram. Na won so wakwa akwaje wo die. And afin so eye MSK by Matilda Kudiabo ne wo share matare. Media betna Jenny's hair and makeup adaroma and I will see me home kama. Ebusuafo Madam Asibebre Ephraim who bibia pesa wo can just 1 minute.
Yo we dey mechia Ghana for mechia common sense family phone na masa say bia obi pese o follow me Facebook page in Chronicles of Abraham bin Moshe and YouTube common sense family but we follow me or
now YouTube me ba ansa na ye be kono YouTube na we creating unye sure say content here will provide you who pay because obviously YouTube I mean you generate people who are going to follow and it will automatically bring
income.
Yeah. Is that not the reason why you are doing this?
It's making money, yes.
No, it's not.
And thank you. My number silence means consent.
I'm not concerned.
Auntie, my number, we saw friend me. My number is 0244 856241. Common sense family.
I mean, to
a bit person. 0244 856241.
Common sense family.
I didn't know you my body libre.
Abusiafo Makram. Midi at the MC Yaya Boy, the one and only original Tuntum.